Want to create motion graphics that grab attention and go viral? In this video, I'm showing you exactly how to build eye-catching motion graphics from start to finish, even if you're a beginner. These are the same design tricks that creators and brands use to rack up thousands of views. Whether you're making content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, this tutorial has everything you need. Before you animate anything, start with your concept. Ask, what's the hook? What emotion do you want the viewer to feel in the first 3 seconds? Viral motion graphics are all about grabbing attention fast. Next, build your visual elements. Keep it bold and simple. Use large fonts, vibrant colors, and dynamic layouts. For viral graphics, clarity matters more than complexity. Now let's animate. Use smooth transitions, quick cuts, and scale pan effects. Remember, movement should follow the rhythm of your music or voiceover. It's what gives your graphic that viral energy. Finally, export in high quality, preferably vertical, 9:16 for social. Use hashtags, strong captions, and post at peak times to give your motion graphic the best shot at going viral. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more design tutorials. Drop a comment if you want me to. Break down another viral edit next time. Thanks for watching. Help this channel get to 1K subscribers.